Welcome to GTech. Today we are going to see about finding the unknown denominator in the fractions. So now I am taking one question, right? So I'm going to take a question, something with an x value as an unknown in the denominator, right? So that I'm going to give something like 1 by x plus 1 by 4, that is equals to 9 by 20. So my question is something, I have to find out the x value. So 1 by x plus 1 by 4 is equals to 9 by 20. So everything has numerator and denominator except the first fraction doesn't have any denominator with it. So see, in the second one I'm having 1 by 4 and I have to move this fraction to my right side by equating its denominator so as to find out my x value. So for equalizing, I am going to multiply my second fraction with 5 because here I am having 20 as my denominator. So if I want to move this to right side to identify the x value, I have to equate it so that my denominator of this both fraction will get equal and I can able to solve it for finding my x value. For equalizing, 4 is getting multiplied by 5 so that I will get 20. So if I get 20, my denominator of this fraction will get equalized with this denominator of this fraction, so that I can easily solve these two fractions, right? So as I am multiplying my denominator with 5, I have to multiply my numerator also with 5. So 1 into 5 and 4 into 5, right? So it is 5 by 20, right? So I'm going to write 1 by x plus 5 by 20 equals to 9 by 20. Now what am I going to do is that I'm going to move this 5 by 20 to the right side of 9 by 20. So I'm going to move it to the right hand side. So the sign, plus sign, will get minus sign. So 1 by x is equals to 9 by 20 minus 5 by 20 is equals to 9 minus 5, right? It is 4 by 20. So I can cross multiply the value to find my x, right? So it is 5 times 20, right? So 4 is 5 times 20. So what I'm going to do is that x is 20, so 20 is equals to 4x it will come if I cross multiply it. So it is 5x, then it is 5 into 4 is 20, so 20 is equals to 4x, right? So my x is equals to 20 by 4, so it is 5x, right? So my x is equals to 5. So by substituting your answer, you will get your answer verified. So we will see another one example. So I am taking the question as 3 by x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 13 by 14. So I have to find out the x value, right? So I have to equalize my second fraction. So here it is 2, here it is 14. So I'm going to multiply with 7. So the 2 into 7 is 14. I will get 14 over here. So since I am multiplying this denominator with 7, I have to multiply my numerator with 7, right? So 7 by 14 I will get, so that I can move this fraction to my right side so as to find out my x value, right? We'll see. I'm writing my equation once again. So 3 by x plus 7 by 14, that is equals to 13 by 14, right? So easily I can move this 7 by 14 to my right side. 3 by x is equals to 13 minus 7 is 6 by 14. Right, now I'm going to cross multiply. 6x is equals to 14 into 3. Right, what is 14 into 3? 14 into 3 is 42. So x is equals to 42 by 6. So x is equals to 7. Right, it's 7. So that's the way of solving the fraction if you find any unknown number in it. Thank you.